Welcome back to Jyoti Hydroponics Farm videos. Let's get started to get better at farming. Today we'll be learning about the importance of H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide. It is one of the best cleaning and disinfectant agent in hydroponics. H2O2 is the perfect solution for sterilizing tanks, pipework, glasses and plastics. Unlike bleach, H2O2 will turn into harmless water and oxygen after 24 hours in contact with water. It is therefore the perfect solution for use in the hydroponic environment. Not only it will kill all pathogens and algae spores at a dilution of 1 part H2O2 to 150 parts water. Other than this, it has many uses and advantages. We'll talk about that in our next slide in this video. So what we do is we use 3% concentrated H2O2 for our hydroponic system, and with that we use 1 part with 150 parts of water for our hydroponic system. We'll just go ahead to our next slide here. Now, why we use H2O2 in our hydroponics? I just play a video here with all the information that we have on the screen and I'll explain them one by one. Let's go ahead. Now, here, what actually is H2O2? H2O2 is simple water with an extra oxygen ion attached to it. Even our rainwater actually has H2O2, a very minute percentage of H2O2 in it. And that's the reason when actually during rainy seasons, the plants go very happy. They feel as if they are very much flourished, and even the happiness of the sign of the plants, that is completely changed during rainy seasons. So H2O2, it's a simple water with an extra oxygen ion. So therefore, when H2O2 is kept in water for 24 hours, it automatically turns itself in water and releases the extra oxygen ion in the environment. So that is not at all harmful for your plants or for any of your equipment. Let's go ahead. Now, hydrogen peroxide kills pathogens. Now, what actually is pathogen? Pathogen can be anything. Pathogen can be a bacteria, virus, or any other microorganism that can cause disease to plant. So, hydrogen peroxide helps to kill pathogens in our hydroponic system. Let's move forward now. Now, hydrogen peroxide also counteracts chlorine in public water supplies. So, at any point of time, we are using public water supplies for our hydroponic system. The hydrogen peroxide reduces the effect of chlorine by acting against it. So counteract means reducing the effect of something by acting against it. So H2O2 counteracts chlorine in public water supplies. This is one of the main advantage of H2O2 here. We'll go to the next advantage now. Now, as we know, well water can contain organic sulfates and methane. Hydrogen peroxide helps in removing both of them, that is organic sulfates and methane. So make sure whenever you are using well water for your hydroponics, make sure that you also use H2O2 in that. Few drops of H2O2 will work for your hydroponic system. Let's move forward. Now, what hydroxide does, it releases extra oxygen ion in the water. And because of that, what happens is, it prevents bacterial wilt. It also prevents Pythium fungi. It prevents Fusarium fungi as well. These all diseases, they are mostly in plants like tomatoes, cucumber or capsicum. So what happens here is, oxygen here is a crucial to all metabolic functions. Makes metallic elements available to plants as well as a nutrition. It stimulates the production of proteins, breaks down carbohydrates as well during the photosynthesis process, increases root zone activity, helps to promote plant vigor, produces thicker stems, increases successful rate of seed germination, increases the survival rate of cuttings, cleans and disinfects our hydroponic equipments, pipes, plastics and the roots of our plants. So these are actually the advantages of hydrogen peroxide. So never hesitate to use hydrogen peroxide for your hydroponic system. Always understand the concept of chemicals that we are using in hydroponics. Never use any harsh chemicals that can affect your plant or the controlled environment of the hydroponic system. So we'll end the session here. I hope you had enjoyed the session. We'll be learning about nutrients in our next session. So till then, goodbye and have a nice day.